Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from LSSC. For that, first of all, you need to come on lssc.com and then log in into your account. Now, once you have successfully logged in, your home page or the dashboard will look something like this. Over here, click on this My tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen and select the option of withdrawal. Once done, you will be landed on this withdrawal address page where you need to just select which network do you want to choose, whether it is USDT, TRC20 or Polygon. Afterwards, you need to provide the wallet address in this section and click on this conservation option in the bottom. So this wallet address will be basically the destination address which you can get from any of your cryptocurrency exchanges. After providing it, click on the conservation option and follow further on-screen instructions in order to withdraw your money from LSSC. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.